Do you know one of the best way to enter paradise? Once, Rasulullah ﷺ pointed to a man and said that he was amongst the people of paradise. One of the Sahaba wished to learn from this man, so he followed him and asked to spend time with him. But he did not see anything extraordinary about this man. He did not fast voluntarily or get up in night for extra prayers. Finally, he asked him what was so special about him. The Sahaba said that the only thing he could think of was that he never went to sleep with any bitterness in his heart towards anyone. Every night, he would forgive anyone who wronged him and cleanse his heart from any negative emotions. This man knew that he had found the Sahaba's secret door to paradise. How many of us go to sleep without some bitterness, irritation, or hatred in our hearts towards someone? How many of us purify our hearts like that every night? Share this knowledge.